Do you struggle with a chronic illness? Ever wondered why you got sick and why your symptoms just won't go away? Contrary to what many of us have been told, the human body isn't designed to get stuck in a chronic state of illness and symptoms. It's actually brilliantly capable of healing itself. We have an intricate system that knows how to repair, recover, and restore balance. So the real question is, what's keeping you stuck in chronic illness? In my own healing journey, discovering the work of Dr. Robert Naviaux was one of the biggest turning points. It helped me finally make sense of what was happening in my body and why I was riddled with so many symptoms. So, who is Dr. Robert Naviaux and why is his work so important for your recovery? Dr. Naviaux is a renowned researcher who has done groundbreaking work on the cell danger response. He's also helped us understand the deeper role of mitochondria in both health and disease. But before we go any further, what are mitochondria and what's this cell danger response all about? Mitochondria are tiny structures found in every cell of your body. They are best known for producing energy, but they also play a vital role in how your body responds to stress, injury, and recovery. When mitochondria detect a threat, whether it's an infection, injury, toxin, or even emotional stress, your cells shift into a protective mode called the cell danger response. This happens throughout your body, in your organs, muscles, skin, and even your brain. In this state, the cells harden their outer membranes to block the incoming threats. The mitochondria break open and they release proteins and DNA into the space outside the cell. This triggers inflammation and immune response gets activated. The body becomes less able to absorb nutrients or clear out toxins. Heavy metals that are usually excreted can accumulate during CDR. There are many more changes outlined in the original research paper. I'll link it in the description if you'd like to go deeper. CDR is a protective response and it is meant to be temporary, just long enough for the threat to pass. After that, the body should shift into healing mode, absorbing nutrients, repairing tissues, clearing out inflammation, producing energy, and going back to its optimal functioning. But sometimes the cells get stuck in a danger response loop, unable to return to their healthy state. This usually happens due to prolonged exposure to stress or due to multiple stressors that occur at the same time. In either case, the cells are unable to heal and recover. This is where chronic illness usually begins. To quote Dr. Naviaux, the healing process is a dynamic circle that starts with injury and ends with recovery. Chronic disease results when cells are caught in a repeating loop of incomplete recovery and re injury, unable to fully heal. This biology is at the root of virtually every chronic illness known. Persistent cell danger response has been linked to a wide range of conditions, from heart disease and diabetes to autoimmune disorders, cancer, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. This research shows just how powerful and damaging chronic stress can be for the body. Living with chronic illnesses and symptoms can feel confusing, discouraging, and hopeless. But stories of people just like myself who have recovered and now live symptom free continue to give me hope. I've not only recovered from chronic pain and fatigue, I've also been able to reverse PCOS using nervous system recovery principles, something my doctors and I did not think was possible. That's why I believe so deeply in the body's ability to heal itself. When we shift the brain and nervous system state from danger to safety, healing becomes possible, even on a cellular level. Your body may be stuck in a stress response right now, but this doesn't have to be your forever reality. When you change the brain's perception of threat, you change the messages that are sent out to your body. And this ripple effect can reach all the way down to your cells and even your mitochondria. This is why I believe remission is possible.